Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 5. So before start our topic, I would like to advise students for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe to our school channel so don't miss any video. We watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is write vertically and add. So simply you have question and you can write the question in vertical form and then add. So we have question 3, 5, 6, 4, 1, 2 and 1, then plus 2, 4, 7, 3, 5, 6 and 5. So simply you can add one by one upper and lower value. So 1 and 5 we have answer 6, 6 and 2 we have 8, 1 and 5 we have 6, 4 and 3 7, 6 and 7 13. So we write 3 in the answer box and 1 as a carry. Then we have 5 and 4 9 and 1 10. So we write 0 in the answer box and 1 as a carry. 3 and 1 4 and 2 6. So we can write 6 in the answer box. So 3 5 6 4 1 2 1 plus 2 4 7 3 5 6 5 has answer 6037 686. Next question is write the number which is. So we have question number one, 5,000 more than 200,45624. So simply you can add 5,000 to this value. So firstly we can write this in vertical form, then start adding the 5,000 to the above value. So 4 and 0 4, 2 and 0 2, 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 5 10. So we can write 0 in the answer box and 1 other. Then 4 and 1 5, 0 0. So 0 plus 0 0 and 2 plus 0 we have 2. So we have final answer is 200500624. Number second question is 800 more than 1269538. So simply we can add 800 to the equation. So we have start adding this 2 and 0 0, 8 and 0 0, 3 and 8 we can add 11. So we write 1 in the answer box and 1 as a carry. Then 5 plus 1 6, 9 plus 0 9, 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 0 2 and 1 plus 0 1. So this is the final solution. Next question is writing in vertical form and subtract. So simply you can write this question in vertical form then subtract both values. So we have question A 5231569 minus 168299293. So we can start subtracting this. 9 minus 3 we have answer 6. So 6 minus 9 is not possible. So we can cut the previous equation 5 and convert it into 4 and 6 convert it into 16. So 16 minus 9 we have answer 7. So we can write 7. Then 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So we can write 2. 1 minus 9 is not possible. So we can cut the previous equation and convert it into 2 and 1 converted into 11. So 11 minus 9 we have answer 2 and then 2 minus 2 we have answer 0. So 2 minus 8 is not possible, so we can cut the previous equation that convert 5, then 5 converted into 4 and 2 converted into 12. So 12 minus 8 we have answered 4. Again 4 minus 6 is not possible, so we can cut the previous equation, then uh, 8 has converted into 7 and 4 converted to 14. So 14 minus 6 we have answered 8, so we can write 8 in the answer box, and 7 minus 1 we have answered 6. So this is the final solution of this question. Next question is write the number which is, and the question is 2000 less than 49840,328. So simply we subtract the equation from 2000. So firstly we can write this in vertical form. So our equation is 49840,328 minus 2000. So 8 minus 0 we have answered 8, 2 minus 0 we have answered 2, 3 minus 0 we have answered 3. So 0 minus 2 is not possible, so we can cut the previous equation 4 and convert it into 3 and 0 converted to 10. So 10 minus 2 we have answered 8. So 3 minus 0 we have answered 3, 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 0 9 and 4 minus 0 we have answered 4. So we have answer 49838,328. So this is the final solution of this question. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and add the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain the summer vacation learning, as 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.